In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Gmail account using Google Prompts. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, explain what Google Prompts are, and share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening any web browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type Gmail account recovery. From the results, click the page titled Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. On that page, scroll until you see the option related to a forgotten password, then select the link that says Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. When prompted, enter the email address you want to recover and click Next to proceed. If you're shown a screen offering Google prompts, that means you can verify your identity using a push notification instead of a code. Google prompts are a form of two-factor authentication. Rather than receiving a text message or opening an authenticator app, you'll get a notification on a phone where you're already signed into your Google account. The notification will ask if you're trying to sign in. It's more secure than SMS because it helps protect against text interception and SIM swapping. To use this method, you must already be signed in on a compatible Android or iOS device. On the recovery screen, Google may say something like, "Open your phone and tap yes," and it may ask you to tap a specific number to confirm it's really you. Pick up the device that's signed into this account, look for the Google or Gmail notification, and tap Yes. If you see a number on your computer screen, tap the matching number on your phone to complete verification. If you don't see a notification, don't worry. Open the Google app on that device manually, and you should see the prompt waiting there. You can approve the sign in from within the app. If your primary phone was reset or you no longer have it, use any other device where you were previously signed into your Google account to receive the prompt. Once Google verifies you, you'll be taken back to the recovery flow. Click Update Password to create a new one and replace the old password you forgot. Choose a strong, unique password and consider saving it in a trusted password manager so you won't lose access again. If this method doesn't work for you, select I don't have my phone to continue with the next recovery options offered by Google. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tutorials.